So welcome to this weekly update video. No, it's Tuesday. I guess it's still the start of the week. But anyhow, hurricane season is finally almost over. We had one last hurrah of Hurricane Vance, and that came just short of tying the record of the record time, the record tying 10th major hurricane. It peaked with winds of 95 knots. And the reason it didn't become a major was mostly because of TFB, and that gave the system a 5.0 or 90 knots rather than a 5.5 or 102 knots. Had TFB given this a 5.5, the NEC probably would have gone ahead and declared this a major hurricane. But since that did not take place, 1992 remains the sole record holder for most major hurricanes in a season. However, Vance did cause us to tie the hurricane record with 16 hurricanes. The season's essentially over. Unfortunately, Vance is getting torn apart right now by shear and will not likely reach the Mexican coast. And if it does, it will do so as a tropical depression or weak tropical storm, and was not going to be the hurricane landfall that I was anticipating. I was kind of hoping for like one last epic storm. You know, Vance was a pretty decent storm. It wasn't that, but oh no, it's all great or good. It's all for the great or good. The season at this point is pretty much over. We're starting to see some wind shear, starting to really pick up now, as it should be at this time of year. And while we've gotten a couple invests alongside Vance, none of them have had potential to really develop. With that said, we're not completely rule out a possibility of another storm. Conditions are still quite favorable, at least somewhat favorable, if we get the right MJO and a very strong convectively coupled Kelvin wave. If we get a strong MJO pulse and a very strong convectively coupled Kelvin wave, and the intertropical conversion zone remains active, then yes, I think we could see another storm or two in a week or so. But the end is finally in sight after 6 long months, and what will be one of the greatest seasons of all time, 2014 season, is finally coming to a close. And I don't have really much to discuss since there's no real long-term threats. The JFS, the old version of JFS was showing some phantom storms. But the newer version of JFS, since the JFS is in the process of being upgraded, does not show these storms, and they're probably phantom due to its poor ability to forecast MJO. So that'll do this video. The short but possibly final weekly update video for the East Pacific season. We'll see what I decide to do with videos from here on in. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and tracking the season, because I did. And I'd like to thank you all for the few viewers I have for watching and following through this entire season, and it's certainly been the blast and probably the greatest by far the greatest hurricane season that I've ever witnessed in person. Anyhow, I'm wrapping up this video. Bye!